Hey everybody, in this Unusual Whales trade review video, we're going to cover two traders that made millions during the GameStop rally from a price of around $17.50 per share to a high of $80 per share in just a couple of days. Now, we first noted unusual options activity in GameStop on April 25th, 2024, when nearly 3,000 contracts of the $25 call option expiring on May 17th transacted almost entirely at the ask. Now, here we can see the 2,915 contracts transacted on the 25th and 2,374 carried over into open interest, confirming to us that these were new positions. If we pop open the flow feed from that initial set of orders, we can see these fills while GME was trading at $10.98 per contract. We can also see that this triggered a repeated hits alert on the contract. Then on Friday, April 26th, the trader of those initial contracts were already up over 150%. But instead of taking profit, we actually saw that they bought more contracts. 11,903 contracts transacted, again, almost entirely at the ask, with an average fill of 28 cents per contract. The following trading day, we noted that 10,128 of those contracts carried over, once again confirming to us that new positions opened and stayed open. Over the next few weeks from there, the GameStop rally commenced. On May 5th, GameStop rose from a price of around $11 per share going into May 6th over the weekend, to peak out at $17.45 per contract. But things weren't over there. Things really started to take on new life on May 13th, 2024. On May 12th, Roaring Kitty, also known as Keith Gill, and DFV, famous for his analysis and presence before and during the 2020 and 2021 GameStop squeeze, tweeted for the first time in years. This caused the GameStop price to go absolutely bonkers. During the trading day following Roaring Kitty's first public appearance in years, GME rallied even further. From a market close on the 10th of $17.42 all the way up to a high of $38.22 per share. Roaring Kitty continued to tweet periodically over the next day, and the response from GameStop was clear. On May 14th, GME traded as high as $80 per share in pre-market trading. Now, our original position seemed to have taken profit on May 13th, selling their position within a range of $7.42 and $13 per contract. Being conservative, they exited for around a 6,000% gain, noted by this drop in open interest on the morning of May 14th. This trader turned roughly $27,000 into $2 million in just 3 weeks. The contract didn't stop there, however, and reached a new high of $36.42 per contract. A 30,250% rise from those initial orders we noted at 12 cents per contract back in April. Had this trader held, they'd have made over $10 million on this GME trade.